Hello friends, today my topic is TH sound. What is the sound of TH? Actually, I researched on this topic. I saw there is no TH sound. We say it's tha. It's not like that. It's not it's air will come. Like if we say the it's not like that. We say its sound will come, air sound will come. There is no TS sound. I totally researched on and I saw some video about this, but I never found TS is have sound. So I saw some examples of TS sound. I saw one example called thank you. It's not like that. It's thank you. TH word we have many words like think or thin. Are so many words we have, but we I will add some examples to you like thank you. It's not like that. It's thank you. We say think. It's not like that. It's think. If you want to practice with me. Please keep your tongue between your teeth. Thank you. If you want to correct yourself, then you can try it. Or we have other things also like we use uh, think. Think. It's think. Please put your tongue between your teeth. It's think. Or think. Same. It's think. So whenever you use th sound, then use your tongue. Just put your tongue between your teeth. Then it sound will come automatically. So you can practice and you can be succeed one day. Please continue and do it yourself. And thanks for watching my video and keep watching my video and learning. Keep learning and last thing, do subscribe, like or share with your friends or nothing else.